If you're active on TikTok, but your followers and likes aren't growing the way you expected, you're not alone. A lot of creators struggle with visibility, even when their content is good. In this video, I'll show you a simple way creators are supporting organic TikTok growth through real engagement. The app I'm using is called TTBoost. Check description to install the app. Let's open it. To get started, you only need to enter your TikTok username. There's no password, no risky login, just your username. TTBoost uses a coin-based system, which is based on real interaction. Here's how it works. When you tap a follow task, it opens the TikTok app. You follow the account, come back to TTBoost and earn coins. The same process applies to likes. Like a video, return to the app, and coins are added. This means all engagement is manual and real, not automated. Then, after collecting coins, go to the Store section. Here, you'll see different options to gain followers or likes. I'm placing a small order now using my coins. Choose a package based on your goals and available coins. You can monitor your order anytime from More, Orders. There's also a referral feature. When friends join using your link, you can earn extra coins, which helps speed up engagement. This approach works best when combined with consistent content and patience. It's designed for social growth through engagement, not shortcuts. If you want to try TTBoost yourself, search for TTBoost on the Play Store or use the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and follow for more tips on growing your TikTok account naturally.